In this video, you are going to see 3 reasons to visit the Norfolk Botanical Gardens in Virginia with kids. Let's get started.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.
Reason number 1, you can spend the entire day there, and the kids are going to wear themselves out. So you can spend the entire morning running around the gardens. There's lots of paths, lots of different ways that you can go. There's a kids section, there's a giant sand mound they call Monarch Mountain, and they have a cafe. You can pack a lunch. There's places that you can sit and eat. So there's lots of things that you can do, and you can spend the whole day there. So here the kids are running towards the next stop, which is the children's garden. It is fantastic. There's a splash pad, there's Rainbow Alley, there's play areas, actually multiple play areas, a shed, a pretend kitchen, and there's a lot of exploration that they can do in the children's garden. It's actually rather huge. This is a little clubhouse with books in it, so you can see there's lots of learning opportunities here. You saw the passport stamps. You can get a booklet at the visitor center, and the kids can stamp it as they go throughout the trails. Here they've wandered onto a little area that teaches them about germination and how to plant seeds. The Botanical Gardens gives little seed papers cut out, pre-cut, and then the soil, and so it's really fun learning opportunity that they can get their hands dirty. Obviously you need to change your clothes if you're going for the splash pad, and because your kids are going to get dirty. Another learning opportunity is map skills. There's a great colorful map that the kids can follow, and here my 2-year-old is determined to read the map, and my 5-year-old is just dramatically waiting on the ground. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever been to the Norfolk Botanical Gardens in Virginia, or if you're planning a trip.